In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize FreshBooks Invoice. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your invoice a polished on-brand look using the built-in tools in FreshBooks. Start by heading to FreshBooks in your browser and signing into your account. Make sure you're using the correct company profile if you manage more than one, so the changes appear in the right place. Once you're in, look to the main navigation and open the Invoices section. This is your hub for everything billing related, and it's where you'll find any drafts that are ready for styling. Scroll through your list and locate a draft invoice you want to customize. Drafts are ideal here because you can adjust the look and feel without affecting something that's already been sent. If you have a lot of invoices, take a moment to identify one that represents your typical work, so the style choices you make will fit most of your future invoices. Open that draft and select Edit. This takes you into the invoice editor where you can fine-tune content. For design changes, you'll use the presentation controls. Click Customize Invoice Style to open the appearance panel. Think of this as your branding toolkit inside FreshBooks, letting you quickly align the invoice with your business identity. Start with the theme color. Choose a color that matches your brand. Often your logo or website primary color is a good pick. Aim for strong contrast so text remains easy to read against headings and accents. If your brand palette includes a specific hex value, this is the right place to use it. Subtle, professional shades tend to print well and look consistent across devices. Next, choose a font. Select a typeface that balances personality with readability. Clean, modern fonts usually work best for invoices because they're easy to scan, especially on mobile. Keep in mind that the font you choose should complement your brand tone, formal, friendly, or somewhere in between, without sacrificing clarity for totals, dates, and line items. Once you're happy with the color and font selections, click Done. This applies your style choices to the invoice you're editing. Take a quick look over the layout to ensure headings, totals, and notes are clear and legible. If something doesn't look quite right, you can return to the Customize Invoice Style panel and make adjustments until you're satisfied. That's it. You've signed in, opened your invoice, customized the style with your theme color and font, and applied the changes. Your invoice now looks professional and on brand, and you're ready to continue editing details or share it with your client when you're done.